Hey young coders! Ready for some action? Let's blast off with the shooting app on Menu L213 of our Schogini Toys DIY Kit. First up, if you're new to navigating our menu, take a quick look at our menu navigation video. It's your guide to all the fun. Now, let's get started. Press the joystick like a button and watch the shooting app come to life. If you're eager to start, push the joystick left to skip the intro and jump straight into action. Press the joystick to shoot bullets across the display and learn the basics of game coding. Done playing? Just flick the joystick left to return to the menu. Ever wonder how we make those LEDs move? It's all done with Python coding, and you can learn it too. Take a peek at the code behind our shooting app. Ready to code on your own? Our simulator lets you practice on your laptop. And if you need a little help, our AI Chatbot Coding Companion is ready to assist. All the resources you need, the code, simulator, and AI buddy, are waiting for you at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's start coding and create some fun. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.